You're welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I made egg rolls for my family for breakfast. This is family egg roll, not commercial. You can use it for commercial, that means you will have to charge higher. To my old subscribers, you are welcome. To my new subscribers, you're also welcome. Let's dive into the main thing. Ingredients for the egg rolls: your flour, 3 cups of flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, half cup of milk evaporated, 2 tablespoons of butter or margarine, 5 cooked egg, 1 uncooked one, nutmeg, salt, a pinch of salt and half teaspoon of nutmeg. Take your time to sieve your flour very well, and you'll be using baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Please, if your baking powder is so active, use half teaspoon. Take your time to sieve your flour very well. This is for my family, but if you want a commercial recipe for egg roll, I'll still put on the description box below. After sieving my flour, just go ahead and add salt, nutmeg. Open your baking powder and you measure. You can see 1 teaspoon I'm using. Add in your sugar, your butter or margarine. Take your time to incorporate. Mix very well. Crack your egg and you add. Please, if you're not sure of the egg, please crack it outside before you put. Mix very well and you start adding your milk a little at a time. Like I said, this is for my family. My commercial recipe, I used water instead of milk, so I'll put it on the description box below and it's on my channel. You can feel free to check out my egg roll commercial. So take your time to knead or mix everything together till you have a soft dough, not too soft but a moderate one. When you're done mixing, you get a plate and you sprinkle a little flour to it. Look at that. We use it and be putting the balls, as in the egg roll balls, when we are done. So right now I'll be sharing out my dough into 5 pieces because I have 5 cooked eggs. But if you're going for commercial, if you watch the video, you will notice I used scale to make sure everything is looking so equal. Go ahead and deskin your eggs. Now peel out the shell and you wash it. Watch what I'm doing. The way I insert my egg at the middle and I push the dough up to close up. Just take your time and do this. The dough is looking so elastic. That's why it's pulling up as I'm drawing. It's coming with me. Place down and you roll very well and you keep. That's all. When you are done, go ahead and place a hot oil and fry. I just place a little dough to check if the oil is hot. If it's not hot, you need to allow it to come up. But if your oil is hot, you have to reduce the heat. If you're new to this channel and today is your first time of watching my video, you are highly welcome. You can join this lovely family by clicking on the subscribe button. Click on the notification bell to be getting alerts of my new video when I drop them. Subscription is free, just for you to be getting alerts and updates for a new video. Yes, so feel free to join the family. Feel free to ask questions. Feel free to drop your comments. Right now, I've started frying. Immediately you put your egg roll. Please take time and start turning so that the down part will not start burning immediately because the oil is hot. Keep turning till you have that golden brown color and you can bring down your egg roll. In this channel, I tutor you how to bake, decorate cakes, different pastries. I even do a little of African dishes. So feel free to join the family, subscribe, like, share to your friends and family that loves cake, pastries, and African food. Right now, our egg rolls are ready. Let's go ahead and check how the inside is looking. This is looking so yummy. You have to try this just for breakfast. Only one for one person is cool. You will enjoy it and you will come back to thank me later. Wow, look at that. Looking so beautiful. Thanks for watching. Bye.